How to fix TikTok sound not available. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix the sound is not available on TikTok. But before getting started, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is check if your TikTok is up to date because sometimes the problem might be causing because your app is not up to date. So go ahead and open up your app store and search for TikTok. And once you find the application, make sure that you don't have an update button here instead of open. If there is, then you just want to tap on it to update the app to its latest version. And once that's out of the way, then what you can do next is open up your settings, find your app settings down here. Now you're just going to search for TikTok. And once all of your apps are loaded, you can just go ahead and find your TikTok application here. So I'm just going to go ahead and find it right here, tap on it. Then go to storage. Make sure to clear out all of its cache and other stuff. Head over to permissions and make sure all of the out. And once that is done, just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. If that still doesn't fix the problem, open up your TikTok, head over to your profile. Now just tap on the hamburger menu at the top right to go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom, report a problem. And then scroll again all the way to the bottom and then submit a report. Here you can just explain the TikTok's help and support team that the sound you're trying to use is not available on your region or it's not available in general, and they will contact you back within a few days. You can just follow the instruction to fix the problem. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.